Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through what we call a broker. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. First of all, what is a broker? A broker in trading is a financial service company that acts as an intermediary between traders, that is you, and the financial market. Brokers provide the platform and tools you need to trade various financial instruments such as the forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and the cryptocurrencies. So before you can be able to access the market, you must pass through a broker. That is what the broker do. Now, the next thing is, what are the key functions of a broker? What are some of the key functions of a broker? The first one is access to the market. So retail traders cannot directly access the forex market or the stock market. So brokers link you to these markets. As an individual, before you can be able to access the market, you must pass through a broker. The second one is trading platform. The broker provides you with a trading platform such as the MT5 or the MT4, where you can analyze your charts, place trades, and monitor your positions. The third one is leverage. The broker allows you to trade large positions than your capital by providing you with leverage. So for example, if you are having 1:100 leverage, it simply means you are in control of $100 with $1,000. So if you are having $1,000 and you deposit it into your brokerage account, the broker will provide you with $100,000, which you can use to trade. The next one is the account type. We have the demo account. We also have the real account. So as a beginner trader, you have to start with the demo account. When you're finding an edge, or when you found a strategy that works best for you, then you move on with your real account. Then the next one is the spread and commission. Brokers earn money through spreads. That is the difference between the buy and the sell price, or commission chart per trade. That one, when we move to the chart, I will teach you how the spread and the commission works. Then the next one is education and support. So many brokers provide trading education, market analysis, and customer support to help you succeed in your trading journey. So let's move on to the next one. What are some of the things that you need to look out for in a broker before choosing that broker? The first one is the regulation. So you must ensure that the broker is regulated by a reputable authority. That is the FCA, the CySEC, and the NFA. This NFA, CySEC, and the FCA, they are what? They are the organizations and regulation, or the regulatory body in the financial industry. So you must find out that your broker is connected with one of these regulatory or the reputable authorities. The next one is fees. So you have to compare the spreads, the commission, and the swaps fees from various brokers before you choose your broker that you want to trade with. Now the next one is the trading conditions. You have to check the leverage, available instruments, and the platform features. The last one, which is the reputation. Look for the positive reviews and reliable customer service attached to that broker before you can be able to, or before you select that broker, so that you prevent scam and co. So without wasting much time, I'm going to teach you how to create a demo account with one of the brokers that I've been using for about 2 years now. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. Good. This is one of the brokers that I've been using for the past 2 years. It is a very good broker. If you want to create an account with this broker, all that you need to do is you visit this link. It will be inside my description below. So you enter the description and you click on the link, you visit the site. Now, when you visit the site, you click on register. This will take you to the registering page where you can register with your email address, your details. Good. So this is the registering page. You are registering as an individual. So you fill in the space provided here, your country of residence, email address, password, then your partner code. I'll give you a partner code that you will enter here. Then you click on register. So after registering, then you have to log in into your account. I'm already having an account with them, so I don't have to register again. I'm already having an account. So I'm going to log in into my HFM account. I'll click on login. Good. So after logging into your account, this is how the interface will be. The next thing that you do is you move on straight to trading accounts. At the left side here, you click on the trading account. You move down to open a demo account. You click on that. Good. So in the page, you'll find demo premium, demo zero, demo contest. So the next thing is you click on the one that you want. If you want a demo zero spread or demo contest or demo premium, you click on it. But you can see that the demo premium is compatible with the MT5, MT4 and the HFM terminal. So I'll choose the demo premium. I'll click on select. Good. So you leave everything as how it is here. Then you add a nickname. After setting your password, then you click on open an account. Ready, your demo trading account has been created and your login is this. You copy your login. You click on accept. Then you enter the password that you've created. You enter the password here. So I'll paste in my password. So at this point, we are trying to connect to the MT5 terminal of the broker. The MT5 terminal of this broker. So after connecting to the MT5 terminal, the charts and things will appear where I can be able to place my trade, analyze my chart, and do whatever I want to do here. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to download the MT5 application. Then how to log in into that MT5 application and how to use the MT5 application. Very good. After logging into your account, this is how the MT5 terminal of HFM Broker looks like. So this is where you can be able to analyze your chart, see your chart, place your trades, your buy and your sell trades. Now, in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to download the MT5 terminal app of this particular broker and how to log in with your details in that MT5 terminal. This is the inbuilt terminal of the MT5 broker, but there is a common terminal that you've been using, which is the MT5 terminal. That one, you have to download it and install it on your computer before you can have access to it. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install that terminal. Thank you very much for your time and listening. So see you in my next video.